We're working on updating the tone and the strategy there together with our content in our Medium posts.
With this app, we try to make it accessible for every driver, if it's young or old or new.
This specifically is the summary screen. There are two types, one that shows the actual route and how many coins were collected.
רציתי שתראה מה מתוכנן, איך אני מתכננת, איך לגרום לאנשים להיכנס לשיחה. התכוונתי לדברים כמו השטגים ו-mentions וזה. So I just sat down with Gilad for our weekly status update meeting. We go over the social media plan for the week. We're working on updating the tone and the strategy there together with our content in our Medium posts.
כאילו אם there's a mention of other company או מישהו, private person, תתייגי אותו.
Okay.
זה עלול לייצר שיח.
In general, we're looking to improve the connection that we have with our community through these resources. And Gilad has a lot of great ideas, so we're going to be working on new graphics, we're going to be working on new tone, we're going to be working on new ways to reach out. So we're really looking forward to that.
So I'm working on the account pages. We decided that the UI needs to be in development. So I'm initially working on the front end of the account page where the user can edit his details from the company, personal details, and for the vehicle. So, but as you can see, there's a lot of difference in the UI and the style. So yeah, I'm gonna change that a bit. What we're really trying to do is to make all the components consistent. So every element has the same distances, have the same typography, have the same colors. So one of the examples we did in a big change, we created from a full white background to like a small little gray background. So the user has optical contrast for his eyes. And at the end, it's all in these little big details. That these details are going to make the difference if the user can see it properly and if the user has bad vision, if they can see it or not. Accessibility, I think that's, with this app we try to make it accessible for every driver, if it's young or old or new, or it's the first time they work with a ride-hailing app, or it's the fifth time. It needs to be accessible for everyone.
We just now discussed the progress of the ride-hailing app. So now we are going to implement the wallet page. This is an example application. This is not the official DAV application. It's an example application of how it can be done. So we decided for simplicity purposes to go here with server-side wallet, a custodian solution. So the driver has his actual wallet stored on the server, and this UI just shows him the balance and he can transfer the funds using the server-side wallet, not the client-side application.
So this is not the wallet itself, it's only a representation inside the app of his wallet.
Yeah, the UI doesn't actually manage the wallet, there's a server-side part that is managing this wallet.
So we're working in the past few days on refining the original deck that we built for crypto rewards for e-bikes and scooters. By refining, I mean really diving into specific apps that provide the service. Shows how, this specifically is the summary screen. There are two types, one that shows the actual route and how many coins were collected, and this is another summary screen where you can see the amount of DAV coins collected. So this is one, we're working on refining the deck and including the app mockups. And another thing we're working on is in the ride-hailing vertical, working with a company in the US and that can connect us to drivers and fleets, so we can hopefully very soon launch the ride-hailing app. So working on the integration file, the document that we got from them, and adding inside all the important dots, all the notes we have to share with them. So working on this as well. Hopefully next week we can say some more stuff about it.
Hey everyone, I'm here with Tung, our general counsel.
Hi.
She's on a layover here in Seattle, and so I drove down from Vancouver to meet her for a meal and to catch up. She's on her way to M-City, Michigan at a Smart City conference.
It's going to be really exciting, and I'll be taking bits of video from there too.
All right, and that's it for us. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.